In this video, I will show you how to update Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, generally with Google Chrome, it does normally update automatically, but if you want to check if your Chrome is up to date or even manually update Google Chrome, then to do this, what you're going to want to do is first of all open up a Google Chrome browser. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots, and then on this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click onto settings. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and if you look to the bottom, you're going to see an option which says about Chrome. Give that a click. That's going to take you to a screen like this, and if there's any updates available, you'll be able to update your Google Chrome from this section here. Generally there's going to be a button saying update Chrome, or it might say your Google Chrome is up to date and give you the current version of Chrome that you have. After updating Google Chrome, if there is an update available, be sure to click the relaunch button to relaunch your Google Chrome browser, and that's going to go ahead and update Google Chrome. So that is how to update Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.